Hello, Felicianos. Awesome. Can you guys please introduce yourselves? What are you guys' names or where are you guys from?
I'm Jose Feliciano. We're from Florida, Central Florida. We own a cleaning business, Fresh Air Cleaning.
Cassandra Feliciano, partner.
So great to have you guys. And man, these guys are going to be, if any of you have watched the movie King Richard, of how Serena and Venus Williams were made, these are the pants, the next pants didn't pull out. I guarantee. Cool. So I'm wondering, could you guys please tell me about what did your business look like before you joined the Clean? What did it even look like? How much did you set up? What did you have to own?
Nothing.
Yeah, we really didn't have much. We had some semblance of what, bones. I would have not even really all the bones. But yeah, we just had like ideas and some kind of, we were really more looking for direction. And that's where you came into play and just gave us direction and just gave us what exactly we should have to start, not all the, frou-frou, but, the main thing. So that helped a lot.
You guys say bones, like what do you mean by that?
We had email and we had a website, but we didn't really have any kind of, pertinent information on the website. So, after we got to talking, it was about SEO and marketing, and certain things that you brought up just kind of started clicking. And it was like, okay, now I get it. Now it's like, okay, yeah, the Google reviews, and just how important that business profile on Google is, and how you can just utilize it in such a great way. And then, we started making the little changes that you suggested, and it's helped immensely.
Do you guys have any specific wins or anything big that you guys saw recently?
As far as the company,
Yeah.
our company,
Let's see
we have created a master real estate list as per your direction again, of 750 real estate agents in our basic area. And we've connected with over 150 of them and had really good just turnout. It's been surprising because we really didn't have any idea about the whole real estate piece, and you just provided so much insight and guidance in that kind of realm, and it really just kind of woke us up to all the possibilities. And then getting to kind of talk to these people, they're really like interested. So it's really fun and this has been fun. Kind of just getting our information out there.
What kind of things have you guys heard from these real estate agents? Like, what sort of interest have you gotten?
So mostly, a lot of people are just happy that we actually just reached out, because people don't do that, and it kind of just saves them the trouble to go on Google, look for someone, and we're actually being proactive, reaching out to them and getting our information out there. A lot of them are like, don't need the cleaning right then and there. And you mentioned that, we call 1,000 people. We focus on that 1%, and that 1% is, it's going to happen. But right now we're just kind of just still at it. We've given out, so we've gotten like let's say for instance, we had 40 calls the other day, and we had 6 positive connections where they were interested. Hey, send over the information. They were like, they were interested in that. So I feel like 6 out of 40 is pretty good, and if we keep that rate up, we'll be successful.
Volume negates luck, right?
Yes. Volume.
Correct. Planting seeds, essentially, right?
Yes.
And trust, these are going to convert. Like really, you keep on doing this volume negates luck. You're going to come across a real estate agent who I have a showing like my cleaning company canceled. Can you guys come out? Or people that remember your name. Hey, can you have give me a quote and like that. What would you say has been one favorite part of the program that you guys found helpful so far?
Well, honestly, just like how you broke it down as being a gym trainer, like when you like when our having our first business set up, when you had all all the bones, as what Cassandra would said,
Our
listed,
war plan call.
our war plan call. I think that was super dope. Where you kind of like gave us that structure and just that, hey, we're gonna go from here to here to here to here instead of just going from here to there. You know what I mean? I think that was dope. How we handled that war plan and you got us together.
Cool. So,
Oh, go ahead.
I mean, it almost sounds like you guys had a general idea of what you wanted to do, what you needed to do, but after sitting down inside the program, you came out of it with a way stronger clarity. Honestly, is that what you guys say?
For sure.
1,000%.
What's one example?
Go ahead.
Well,
No, I was going to say like the marketing
yeah.
piece and all of the information that you provide around marketing. Because at first it was a little daunting as far as the business piece, because that's not really my strong suit. So it's and how you stress it, and there's so many different avenues to the marketing, whether it's LinkedIn, or using the Facebook when it comes to that residential side. That can be really helpful too. But just creating flyers, and then we're doing the cold calls. We're also doing cold emails, and we're just trying to use as much information that you've given us as humanly possible, because it's really been effective.
Guys, for someone who's on the fence about joining a program, what would you tell them?
You provide insight into the cleaning business world, where even if you think you have an idea, once you get into it, it's like, wait, what is this? So working with you has been it just makes it a lot easier, honestly, to get into this realm, and just finding out more information and more resources that you provide, suggesting the CRM, and the scheduling piece, and just making sure all of those things are on that list for your business. You don't really think about that when you're kind of coming into that, but yeah, you can grow really, really quickly. And if you don't have this foundation established, then you're kind of working backwards. So when we met with you and we did the war plan, it just solidified kind of just everything that we were hoping to do with the business. And now we're able to take the marketing, information and all of your advice and really use it and grow, because we don't have to worry about the other things because we've done it already. So that is really what it's been. It's been a hand-holding process, a advice giving, question asking, and great answers, real experience answers. And that's really what's been, to me, that's been the number one thing. You having the actual experience, having done this and are doing it currently, it makes it so much easier for us to say, yeah, why not?
Real quick, I thought I had an idea of what it was supposed to be like. And then once you were speaking to you and you put certain things in my face, like, damn, I thought I had an idea, but you really don't. And sometimes you'll run into walls that's unnecessary. So you kind of, help us avoid a lot of potholes.
Mm-hmm. Big time.
Would you almost describe it as a fast track to success?
100%. It's like a trainer, like a physical trainer. You can go out there and do the work yourself, but if you have somebody on your back, making sure you're doing it the right way, form,
yes,
and repetition, and not quitting on yourself, somebody's got your back as well. So yeah, absolutely.
Well, Felicianos, thank you guys so much for sharing your experience.
Yes, man.
Thank
It's
you.
a pleasure to have you guys, and man, I want to see you guys take it off to the moon.
All right.
For sure, man. Thank you so much.
Thankful for you.
For sure.